Upgrading your home with energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. For homeowners in St. James, replacing old, drafty windows with modern, high-performance options doesn't just improve comfort. It transforms the way you live, enhances your property's appearance, and saves money long-term. Here's how energy-efficient windows bring value, style, and sustainability to your home. Comfort that lasts all year. St. James experiences a mix of warm summers and chilly winters, and the right windows can dramatically improve your indoor comfort. Traditional single-pane or outdated windows often let heat escape in winter and allow excess heat in during summer. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple panes filled with argon gas and low emissivity, low-E coatings. These features reduce heat transfer, keeping rooms warmer when you need it and cooler during hot spells. No more drafts by the couch or overheated bedrooms, just year-round comfort. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits homeowners notice after window replacement in St. James is a reduction in energy costs. Because energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. That translates into lower monthly utility bills. Over time, those savings add up, often covering a significant portion of the initial investment in new windows. For budget-conscious homeowners, this makes energy-efficient windows a win-win. Comfort and cost savings rolled into one upgrade. Boosted home value curb appeal matters, especially if you're thinking about selling your home in the future. New windows instantly refresh the look of your house, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Energy-efficient windows are also a sought-after feature in today's housing market. Buyers recognize the long-term savings and comfort benefits, and they're often willing to pay more for a property that already has these upgrades. A window replacement in St. James can increase your home's resale value while helping it stand out in a competitive market. A quieter, healthier home. Noise pollution from traffic, neighbors, or construction can be frustrating. Energy-efficient windows act as a sound barrier, significantly reducing outdoor noise. This makes your home a more peaceful and relaxing environment, perfect for families, remote workers, or anyone who values quiet. Additionally, modern windows with low-E coatings filter out harmful UV rays that fade carpets, furniture, and artwork. Protecting your interiors means your favorite pieces will look new for longer, while also reducing potential skin damage from UV exposure indoors. Environmental impact. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your household, it's good for the planet. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you're reducing your carbon footprint. For eco-conscious homeowners in St. James, window replacement becomes part of a larger commitment to sustainable living. Many window manufacturers now prioritize eco-friendly materials and processes, so you can feel confident your upgrade supports both your lifestyle and the environment. Tailored style and design. Beyond performance, today's energy-efficient windows come in a wide variety of styles, finishes, and frame materials. Whether you love the classic charm of double-hung windows, the wide views of picture windows, or the easy ventilation of casement windows, you'll find options that complement your home's design. With professional installation, you can ensure your new windows not only look great but also deliver the maximum energy savings and durability. Final thoughts. Transforming your home with energy-efficient window replacement in St. James is about much more than aesthetics. It's an investment in year-round comfort, lower energy bills, enhanced property value, and a greener lifestyle. If your current windows are showing signs of age, like drafts, condensation, or difficulty opening and closing, it's time to explore your options. By upgrading now, you'll enjoy immediate benefits and long-lasting improvements that make your home a better place to live.